Welcome to Sigmoid's real-time and interactive ad analytics programmatic tool, Sigview. In this video, we will walk you through our programmatic tool and showcase how you can slice and dice the data for your specific need. Let's start with our dashboard. Here you see a summary of your latest trends on Analyze page. On your left is the time series data for multiple metrics, and on the right is the data rolled up at different dimension levels. You can customize everything on this dashboard based on your use cause. For instance, add or remove measures from time series charts and from data tables. Also, customize dimension tables on the right. You can further choose the metric rollups you wish to see in individual dimension table from this dimension side navigation pane. Finally, rearrange the layout of these elements around as needed. Now, let's say you wish to identify whether there is a drop in auctions for any advertiser in UK this week over previous week. Select the date range from the top and switch to day granularity for metric charts. Go to Device Country Dimension and select UK. All data on the dashboard gets filtered for UK. Now analyze if the auctions saw any drop for the advertiser. Ad Maxim saw over 21% drop. Hence, we further filter on it. We can dig deeper into the issue by looking closely at the app site domains, by filtering out relevant domains using metric filtering or text search, and finally comparing multiple domains over the time series. Let's apply filters on these domains, and here you have a filtered view. You can save your view as a workspace so that you can come back to it with a single click. All workspaces are listed in Workspaces side navigation bar on the left. Other functionalities available are Advanced Filtering, where you can filter on multiple dimensions and values together. Reports Manager, to let you extract or schedule customized reports. Alerts, to notify you as per metric value criteria. And Sharing, which lets your colleagues replicate your view. Drill-down data analysis can be conducted on Pivot page as well. Here, you can visualize dimensions and metrics laid out in a tree structure. Let's select a few dimensions and metrics and hit Apply. You can further expand or collapse domains to visualize advertisers. In case you wish to compare data across time ranges, switch on Comparison from the top and hit Apply. You can now analyze the data as desired and further also download the data instantly, as what you see is what you get. Another powerful feature is Advanced Sorting, which lets data to be sorted at every dimension level. Other tools like full data extraction, advanced filtering, and chart saving capabilities are available in the left panel. Sigview also lets users visualize the data in many other forms. Let's switch to Plot page. Here you have a variety of chart types: bar charts, pie, stacked bar charts, heat map, line charts, etc. For instance, let's see how a multi-axis line chart can be put to use. Select the timescale and a bunch of metrics and hit Apply. Here, we can see the time series trends of multiple matrix of different scale in one view. Let's also visualize a heat map. Select a couple of dimensions and a metric and plot a heat map. This view helps you find a correlation between the two dimensions to identify macro trends. You can also download the chart as a PNG or save the chart from the top so that you can access it later. Other tools like full data extraction and advanced filtering are available in the left panel. With Sigview, it's easy to achieve super fast insights into your data with just a few easy clicks. And if you have other custom requirements, reach out to us, and we will help figure out your data story. So set your programmatic tool in place now. Log on to sigview.sigmoid.com